Ssangyong has boosted its Musso with more standard kit and an upgraded interior for 2018, increasing the value for money on offer from one of the pickup segment's cheapest options. The Korean firm's cut-price Nissan Navara alternative is due on UK roads this summer with an all-new look. Its front end bears strong resemblance to that of the Rexton SUV, with which the Musso is heavily technically related. Using the same architecture as the new Rexton, the Musso's body-on-frame construction is 81.7% high-strength steel. Ssangyong says this not only enhances the Musso's rigidity for better safety but also boosts its handling and off-road abilities. Ssangyong ESIV concept previews upcoming SUV and first EV. The new car comes with an updated version of its predecessor's 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine. The EXD 220 unit, developed internally by Ssangyong and shared with the Rexton, produces 181 bhp and 310 pounds-foot of torque, jumps of 5 bhp and, more significantly, 15 pounds-foot on its predecessor. This grunt enables the Musso to carry more than a ton of weight in the back and tow a 3.5-ton trailer. Power is channeled to a part-time four-wheel drive system via a 6-speed manual or optional 6-speed automatic gearbox. When cruising, the car can decouple drive to the front axle, making the Musso rear drive in its most economical guise. Torque is only sent to the front wheels when necessary, although the car can be set to permanent all-wheel drive for low-grip surfaces.